Step into the shadows of the darknet with me as I attempt to crack into a site using nothing but basic commands. Will it work? Let's find out together. The darknet, a mysterious and often misunderstood realm of the internet, has long been associated with hackers and cybercrime. But what if I told you that with just a few simple commands, you could unlock the doors to this secretive world and begin to understand the basic of hacking? One of the biggest misconceptions about hacking is that it's all about malicious intent. But the truth is, hacking can be a powerful tool for good. Understanding how hackers operate can help you better protect yourself and your online identity from cyber threats. But I do want to emphasize that hacking should only be done with permission and never to cause harm to others. It's essential to recognize the ethical implications of hacking and always operate within the boundary of the law. There's a lot of misinformation out there about hacking, and I've seen many people get caught up in the hype, thinking it's all about flashy Hollywood-style hacks. But the reality is, most hacking is simply about understanding how system works and finding creative ways to exploit vulnerabilities. It's not about being a master coder or having super sleuth skills. Anyone can learn to hack, and I'm here to show you that it's not as difficult as you might think. Another common misconception is that hacking is only for tech-savvy individuals. But the truth is, with the right guidance, anyone can learn to hack. It's all about being curious, persistent, and willing to learn. So, if you are interested in learning more about hacking and how it can benefit you, keep watching, because we are about to dive in and explore some simple commands that can help you get started. Let's start with some basic hacking commands. One of the most fundamental commands is the ping command, which allows you to test whether a particular IP address is active. This command is essential for any aspiring hacker, as it helps you to understand how networks operate and identify potential vulnerabilities. For example, let's say you want to test whether a website is online. You can use the ping command to send a packet of data to the website and see if you get a response. Another important command is nslookup, which allows you to look for the DNS records of the particular domain. This command is useful for identifying the IP address associated with a domain, as well as potential vulnerabilities in the domain DNS configuration. For instance, if you want to find out the IP address of a website, you can use nslookup command to retrieve the DNS records and identify IP address associated with the website. One of the most powerful hacking tools is nmap, which allows you to scan a network and identify open ports, operating system, and other vulnerabilities. This command is essential for any hacker, as it helps you to understand the layout of a network and identify potential entry points. For example, let's say you want to scan a network and identify any open ports. You can use nmap command and send series of packets to the network and analyze the response to identify open ports and potential vulnerabilities. One surprising application of these commands is in penetration testing, which is a practice of simulating a cyber attack on a computer system to test its defenses. Penetration testers use these commands to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses in a system so that they can be fixed before malicious hackers exploit them. It's a crucial part of cybersecurity, and it's the area where understanding these simple commands can make a big difference. I hope you now have a better understanding of the basics of hacking and how these simple commands can be used to improve your online security. If you have any questions or comments, please leave below.